You have to stay in the house, Mr. Chicken Man.
It's a matchup many have never seen. Chicken versus Amazon driver. The battle occurred in Illinois when a pet chicken escaped as the driver dropped off a key-in garage delivery.
You're gonna have to go back in the garage now. I have a garage delivery, and who steps out of the garage but a chicken?
He repeatedly tried coaxing the clever bird named Fancy back inside, but Fancy put up a good fight.
No, don't go inside, don't go inside!
The chicken clearly had moves.
I'm at war with the chicken right now. You have to stay in the house, Mr. Chicken Man. You cannot go outside.
Did the chicken listen? Nope, he's persistent. The driver tried putting him in his cage, which didn't work.
No! Stop following me outside!
Finally, success. The driver closed the door with the chicken inside.
Got him! Yes!
This driver has definitely earned extra Thanksgiving pie.
Hello, mister.
For Inside Edition Digital, I'm Andrea Swindle.